So for me, the best feature of Matrix LMS is that actually you could enter the training without knowing anything at all. It's because you enter with maybe virtually zero knowledge, and after a couple of hours, you come out with already a know-how of a lot of things, from operations to the products to the quality control, from the suppliers and everything else. And that's the best feature, because suddenly you're you roll years and years of hard work, of happenings, of trivia, and perfection of standards into a couple of hours. And once you give that to your staff, suddenly they also understand and they see the magnitude of the franchise, not only of the stall, but of Potato Corner as a whole. And to top it all, after the test, couple of hours test, you immediately know what your weaknesses are, because there are tests that you know the answer to in real time. After you take the test, you see what your errors are, right? And you could work on it immediately and correct yourself.